Warning, if you skip watching this, you'll probably quit. Hi there, welcome to You Habits. Let's talk about how to actually use this course. Because let's be real, we've all signed up for something and never finished it. That's not what we want here. This course is designed to help you create real, lasting habits that align with the life you want to live. This video is located in two places. As a separate section titled, Warning, if you skip watching this, you'll probably quit, in the menu, and as the first video in step 1 titled, Watch this first, don't make these mistakes before starting. If you haven't watched this video yet, pause and do so now before diving into the lessons. Now let's talk about course format and feedback. First, the book and the online course can be used independently, but they complement each other well. For the best results, use both. Optional. Print the ebook to bring along with you in times you're not at a computer. Second, this is not a passive online course. This is a personalized course. Unlike other programs, I am supporting you throughout your journey. As a board-certified adult and child and adolescent psychiatrist and a therapist, I know that habit change is personal. That's why I'm here, to help you tailor strategies that actually works for you. Most online courses leave you on your own, but I know sustaining habits must be individualized. We must build a holistic system around all aspects of your life, personal, professional, and spiritual. That means replacing unwanted behaviors with fulfilling ones. And when adopting a behavior isn't working, it's not about some unattainable trait that you lack. Trust me, as a psychiatrist, modifying behaviors is about adjusting your mindset, your environment, and the system around you. We don't just throw away the goal. We refine the system to make it work. The behaviors you work on should align with what you define as a fulfilling life and fits into your lifestyle. The strategies you use to sustain your habits will be customized for you. That's why this course is so important. Before we go any further, let's get something straight. Don't rush. If you're here just to binge through lessons for quick tips, pause. I get it. I've done it too. But let's be honest. When we rush through content without applying it, we don't see real change. Completing the exercises is the key to making your habits stick.